bass. I'm going to show you how to make homemade salmon cakes from fresh caught salmon. And salmon cakes are a wonderful alternative to a regular burger, and so healthy and light and great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which is wonderful for your heart. And what you want to do first is get a large mixing bowl, and to that you're going to add 1 pound of salmon that's fresh and uncooked, and you're going to cube that into small pieces. And then you're going to add 2 eggs, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1/2 a cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of capers that have been drained and rinsed, and then we're going to add some fresh herbs. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of dill, 2 tablespoons of tarragon, and 2 tablespoons of chives. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix it all up with a wooden spoon, and then make your salmon cakes into a burger size. It'll give you about, this recipe will give you about 8 burgers. You're going to cook on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a saute pan, about 4 minutes on each side. And don't forget that salmon is very high in omega-3 fatty acids and fabulous for your heart. So enjoy these as a very light, healthy alternative to a regular burger.